everybody. Welcome to another video. Today, we're playing Takoyaki, a horror Japanese game. So, I don't know much Japanese, but I only know that, I only know some Japanese, so I honestly can't read over this, because I can't read kanji, so... Listen, oh my god. Sensitivity. Oh my god. I'm scared. What is this? Bro, I can't. What is this, bro? It's like a ball. Bro, I'm scared. I'm scared! Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god! Oh my god, even the sensitivity is so bad. Oh my god! Jeez. Okay. What does that even... What even is that? Bro, I don't want to play this no more. Oh my god! Everything's so quiet. Is that like music? Is that music playing in the background? Oh my god. I don't like this. I don't want to do this. No. Why do I get my... Oh my god! Ow! What is that? Oh my god! What was that? Bro, I just felt my heart just dropped. Like, I just need a legit minute from this. Hold up. Oh my god. Bro, that scared the death out of me. Oh, I'm not looking back. No, I don't want to do this no more. I don't want to play this no more. I don't know why you people got me to play this. I don't even know why. I don't know why. Bro, I'm scared. Scared, bro. Yeah. Bro. Trying to do this purposely, man. I'm just like I'm so scared to walk through the corners and everything. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I don't know. I'm not doing this no more. Bro, can you see me through the walls? I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. You can see me through the walls. see me through the wall! Bro, I'm so scared, man. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I don't even want to, like... I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. No. Bro, he's gonna be in the corner. I know it. I'm quitting. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit. Oh my god. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit, dude. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care, man. Bro, I just don't want that ball going in my face. Man, it smells like mustard. I smell your mustard over here, man. I don't want to do this. No. No, I don't. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. No. 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 Stop. Now I'm just getting myself to laugh. Bro, I don't like this. I'm like so uneasy. Oh my god. Who made this? What type of curse did you put on my phone, dude? I don't want to do this, dude. No, I'm quitting. Bro, is it coming to me right now? What is that? No, I'm quitting. It's coming to me right now? Bro, it sounds like a high pitch of like Muscle Man from like regular guy or a regular show. Oh, dude, I am so like scared. I think I might pee my pants. Oh my god, bro. I don't like this. This is the last. No, this is the last one. I don't care. This gotta be the last one. I don't know if I can handle it. Oh my god! Bro, I'm so scared, bro! Ugh. I'm scared of it coming to me, man. I'm scared. What even is this? Come on, bro. Dude, I don't like how I cut the corners like that. I have no puff. Oh my god! I'm not looking. Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, I'm not looking. Oh my god! No. Oh my god. Bro, I think I had like a small heart attack, bro. Every single time that thing, like every single time that thing came at me, I barely was able to breathe. Like that thing, oh my god. Like, I'm walking around, man. I just can't. No, I can't. Not anymore, bro.